Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga. Today we are going to learn how to do Chakrasana or the wheel pose. Now before you begin this practice, make sure your spine is warmed up enough to increase the flexibility because Chakrasana is a deep back bend. Also you need a wonderful base of strong shoulders, palms and wrists. So you can check out my other videos, it's going to be linked up here to work on your shoulders, palms and spine. Let's get started. Let's begin from Shavasana position. Fold your knees. Now keep your feet as close to your buttocks as possible and make sure to keep your feet apart. Let's practice lifting the waist up with the spine strength. Take your hands near your shoulders. Now your fingers should be pointed towards your feet. Keep your elbows close to each other as much as possible. Now, as you inhale, lift your waist up. Hold this position for a few breaths. With the next exhalation, gently bring your waist up. Now let's move towards the next step. We are going to roll and come on the top of the head. Now if you're wearing a rubber band, you're wearing a clip, please remove so that you're comfortable. Let's get started. Bring your feet as close to your buttocks as possible. Keep your feet wide apart. Take your hands near the shoulders. Press your palms and feet as you breathe in. Lift, roll and come on the top of your head. Keep your eyes open, keep breathing. Now slowly keep the back of the head down, shoulders down, waist down. Take your hands down, stretch your legs, relax. Now it's time to do the complete pose. Remember to go in the same order while lifting up. You need to lift your waist up first, then go for your shoulders and then your head. While coming down, it's the reverse order. Keep the head down first, shoulders and then waist. Let's check out how to do this. Fold your legs, bring your feet as close to your buttocks as possible. Now you need to remember that in Chakrasana, your palms and your feet are the only body parts touching the ground. So you need to make sure you're pressing your feet and palms firmly on the ground. Do not come on your fingers or do not try to lift your heels up. The second thing to note is you need to take your waist towards the ceiling. And the third thing is do not move horizontally, you have to move vertically. Let's get started. Take your hands near the shoulders. Take a deep breath in, release. Make up your mind, keep your mind calm. With the next inhalation, waist up, shoulders up, head up. Let's slowly come down. Back of the head down, shoulders down, waist down. Stretch your legs. Come to Shavasana. Remember, Chakrasana can be challenging for a lot of people. So have patience with yourself and work on your spine flexibility and shoulder strength regularly. It needs a lot of patience, practice and persistence. So do not skip your practice, have patience with yourself and do not give up. Hope you liked this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, keep practicing, keep watching. Be kind, be present, be grateful. Namaste.